Lined up as a warm up. I want to test every move out before I get committed, and I can't pull back. If that makes sense, right? Mm-hmm. Putting a return, so I'm gonna pull. So bring your leg in like that. Nice deep breath for me. I use my body to pivot. I don't just go, because that's hard. So I sort of swing out a little bit. I sort of swing in. How we doing? A rib cage, armpit, something like that, where I can reach the knee. If she's really long and I can't reach her knee, I put her foot in front of me, and that's how I would hold that. Okay? Either way, I don't want to lift, I just want to rotate. It's just, I'm not going to lift. I lift, oh, I hurt my back, right? But here, a nice big breath for me. If it's not good, let me know. I pull a drape under and pull it tight here, and then just hold it right there. So nice deep breath, and I rotate, 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 rotate. How we doing?
Good.
Still good?
Good.
Okay. So it looks like ooh, but really it's the whole body. Like so I'm not challenging. If I start to lock it down now and ask for that stretch in a more and more concentrated area, how we doing?
Good.
Okay. But then I start to get tired, like holding this. Oh, I'm tired. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leg up on the table. How we doing?
Good.
Anything going on your back yet? You don't have to help me if you don't want to.
I told you. Terrible. Caleb says I'm a horrible client. Yeah, a little bit there, yeah. Okay, now I feel it more in my head.
So I can let the rotation, the axis, I can take some out of that. We still keep the leg back here, so the hip gets it, right?
Yeah.
I can lock in. You don't have to help. You can let that go. There you go.
Easier said than done.
How we doing?
Good.
So I have full access to the sacrum, to the, all this. So I can play if she gets a pinch or something in there. I've got a lot of skin, kind of, so I can feel if she contracts or if something gets kind of scares her. All good.
Mm-hmm.
So I really wouldn't have to support you too much at all.
Okay.
All right. I might have had to, but then we'd support you. Mortar and pestle, I'm shoving the mortar and pestle. There you go. And with her again, same thing. Up to the back, pull. So the main point is that you get labeled with all sorts of crap. It doesn't mean you are that thing or you can't do that thing. As long as you really are taking your time with your client, you feel like you understand the structure and how to fix it if something goes bad, play with that, right? Just certain things that people live with. I'm trying to let their body feel like, oh, that's not such a liability as I thought it was, right? And that's going to free them up. That's going to free them up more than all my work. It's just their head going, I thought for sure that would kill me, right? And it didn't. And if it is going to kill you, then you can let that leg go if you want. If I thought it was, and I thought it was rotation, right? What I would be doing is finding rotation. So I'm gonna do all the same work. I'm just gonna support this side of the spine so it doesn't go as much here. So I might do that to kind of pretend that I was doing more. How are we doing? Good. It's just trying to figure stuff out. And then, I might know if I let go of her right now, I'm gonna hold her by her ankle. Like she's stable, right? So it looks like she's not stable, but she's just really stable. So I'm not working hard. If you're all right, so.
Do you ever have them raise that same arm above their head that you're working on the same side?
Sure. Actually, if they can't rotate, I'll drop it off.
No, I meant the other arm.
Oh.
Raise the other arm like above their head.
Sure.
Like or take it and rest it.
Oh, I don't know. I might. Like I said, I don't have an ABC, right? So I'll follow them. I do a lot of the tricep pull and the axillary pull kind of stuff up there. So what's nice is that a minute ago that was a oh heck, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's not.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
That looks amazing. Yeah. Holy crap.
How we're doing?
Good.
So I have a question.
Mhm.
I have a disintegrated disc at the base of my spine.
Mhm.
So what would be a good way to support that area while
Let's do
still
it.
getting
Put a
that
face
disc
cradle down, we'll
working?
find out. Put a face cradle down, we'll figure it out.
We'll find out.
See,
Oh, that's how you get a massage? You just ask a question?
Like I would say
Oh.
bulging disc, I wouldn't do it. But the problem is, we all
So cute. He's like, okay, mom.
I can't believe
Yeah.
that.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's yeah. That's the one I tried.
So now,
this side. So it's a very easy
Here.
Stretching?
So like this, the thing is, I have a, this is a, this bag, when you do that, I got cramping.
So you got cramping during my when I'm doing that?
So if you ever feel like you're holding them,
Slowly.
that's pretty
Stay
something.
there.
Like that?
A little bit more. There we go.
Right?
Then I don't have pain. And they can open up this, there you go.
Like that?
You don't want to sit there looking all day.
That's the main point.
If I put you on the pressure here.
That's awesome.
The other day that like had other people peeking their head in.
What I'll often do is, basically because that might, chest will often
What I did the
lay
other day.
blood out somewhere so if it comes down, it can't.
Just on this,
yeah,
but this feels good.
The difference?
I can't help.